Student. Today I will talk about on the topic indigo. It is a very popular topic written by Louis Fisher. Following is an excerpt from Louis Fisher books, The Life of Mahatma Gandhi. The book has been reviewed as one of the best books ever written on Mahatma Gandhi by Times Educational Supplement. Indigo, it is really about the topic how Mahatma Gandhi struggled for the underprivileged peasants of Champaran. They were the sharecroppers with the British planters. The peasants used to live a wretched life and were under an agreement to grow indigo. As Bihar has the landlord system back then, it worsened their condition. Thus, Gandhiji decided to fight against injustice. He waged a war which lasted for a year to tackle the discrimination and got injustice for the peasants. After that, it helped the peasants become courageous and aware of their fundamental rights. Moreover, Gandhiji did not just work to tackle political or economic issues, but he also took up social issues. He worked to provide them with education, health, hygiene, and taught them self confidence. The story is set in 1916, where Gandhiji set up to help a bunch of poor peasants from Champaran. It gives an account of how he struggled to bring them justice and equality. Thus, it begins with most of the arable land of Champaran that divides into a large state. The owners of the estate and Englishmen and the workers are Indian tenants. We learn that the chief commercial crops on this land is indigo. Moreover, also see that the landlords compel all the tenants to plant 15% of their indigo and submit the whole harvest in the form of rent. The tenants are under a long-term agreement to do so. However, Germany starts developing synthetic indigo. Thus, the British do not require the indigo crop anymore. Thus, in order to release the poor peasants from their agreement of 15%, they start demanding compensation, while some of the poor peasants from their agreement of 15%, they start demanding compensation, while some of the uneducated peasants agreed on this, the other did not agree. Thus, we notice that one of the sharecroppers, Rajkumar Shukla, arranges for a meeting with Gandhiji. He meets him for the same issues and insists Gandhiji to visit the place to end the long-standing injustice. Gandhiji agrees and boards a train to Patna in Bihar. After that, Rajkumar Shukla helps Gandhiji visit the house of Rajendra Prasad, a lawyer. As Gandhiji dresses simply, the servants taught of him to be a poor peasants. Thus Gandhiji planned before trying to get the peasants any justice. It is because the British government are punishing anyone who is keeping national leaders or protesters. Thus, when Gandhiji arrived in the place, the news of his arrival and mission spread across the town like wildfire. This resulted in a lot of liars and peasants groups pouring in large number in his support. Consequently, the liars did accept that the charges are quite high and too unreasonable for a poor peasant. However, Gandhiji was criticizing them for collecting huge fees from the sharecroppers. He was emphasizing on counseling, as this will provide the peasants with confidence to fight their fear. Thus, he managed to justice after a year-long fight for the peasants. He also arranged for the educational health and hygiene for the families of the poor peasants. Finally, he teaches them a lesson of self-sufficiency and self-confidence. Indigo, we learn how Gandhiji did not merely help in freeing India, but was also working for betterment of his countrymen from the year start. Students are advised to do first of all summary of the lesson. After that, NCERT question do in notebook. Thank you.